What's up, everyone? Welcome back. This is Dan from DHTV, and I've been getting questions over and over the past few months about how you can flip your selfie videos with the front-facing camera on the iPhone. And this video, I'm going to show you how you can do that. Let's get started. Alright, so we've got my iPhone 11 right here. We'll open up our camera application and it's showing you the rear-facing camera by default. I'm just going to flip it to the front-facing, and this is where you're going to see the issue appear. So right now, you can see me. I've got my head to the right side of the camera. I've got my hand here, there's a picture back there, and notice where all of these things are. Now when I hit the shutter button and take a video, it's actually recording this, and what's going to happen when I stop the video is it flips it. Now the picture's on the right side, I'm looking at the camera from the left side, but this is actually showing you the accurate video of what you're supposed to be seeing. So just to give you some perspective, if I hold something with writing, for example this tape right here, it's backwards, and if I record it, it's backwards right now. So it's giving me a mirrored effect, but when I hit stop and I look at the preview, it's straight. And if you take videos with your rear facing camera, everything is straight all the time and it doesn't flip. So if I flip to the rear facing and I put something with writing, you can see the writing stays the same. So the issue is that it seems most people seem to like their flipped or mirrored look. If you look in a mirror, it looks like this. And that's what they want to keep. Well, it's really easy to fix this now. So when you take your video, for example, this one right here, if we want to flip it, well, actually let's use this one. We tap edit. So you open your Photos app, go to the video, tap edit, and there's this option right here that allows you to crop and resize. When you tap on that, it brings up some other options, and this is the one you want to use right here with the little triangle. If you tap on that, it flips it over for you. You can also crop the video if you don't want the light in there. You can do all kinds of editing features. Click done, and now your video is flipped. This works exactly the same way with selfies, with photos, but just keep in mind, like I said, when you open the camera app here, it's showing you a mirrored image on the front-facing camera. So it's not actually what you're seeing. It's just like looking into a mirror. So that's why it flips when you're back on your photos. So keep that in mind. That's how you fix it. If you like it better when it's flipped over, if you enjoyed this video, hit that like button. Don't forget to subscribe for more videos. I have tons of iPhone video tips and tricks on the channel, so check them out and share them with your friends. Thanks for watching, guys. I will see you in the next one.
Perfect.